Today, we're looking at demand design, reducing friction without reducing expectations. This is about access, not excuses, not lowering the bar, just building a better ramp. A common misunderstanding is, if we adapt, they'll expect special treatment. But what pupils often need isn't special. It's clearer, smaller, more structured demands so they can show learning. Good teaching is accessible teaching. Reframe demand as weight. Two pupils can be given the same task, but the weight is different depending on processing speed, working memory, anxiety, sensory environment, language demands, executive function. Example: complete questions 1 to 10 silently. For one pupil, that's fine. For another, it's 10 separate demands. Find the page, understand each question, hold steps in mind, write neatly, stay silent, manage anxiety, ignore noise, cope with time pressure. If we design demand more carefully, we don't remove learning. We remove unnecessary barriers. Demand design improves engagement, reduces refusal, supports independence, protects classroom climate, and it supports staff consistency because the approach becomes routine. 4 demand design tools. 1. Choice within boundaries. Do you want to start with question 1 or 2? Pen or laptop? Choice gives control without losing standards. 2. Chunking with visible checkpoints. Do 1-3, show me, then 4-6. This prevents overwhelm and gives timely feedback. 3. First, then language. First 2 questions, then a 2-minute reset. Clear, predictable, motivating. 4. Clarity of what done looks like. Provide a model or success criteria in plain language. 1 paragraph, 3 key facts, 1 reason. Script you can use. I'm not making it easier, I'm making it clearer. The aim is the same learning, with better access. That's inclusive practice. If you'd like practical next steps, I run free monthly 1-hour online sessions via Eventbrite, and I also deliver training for educators and school teams across the UK.